the cheers were amazing. We had SNCC, and their cheer was the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee. And that was it. They would just say that over and over again. But later that year, I'm learning in 4th grade about the civil rights movement, and on my test it says, what does SNCC mean? And I was just sitting there going, the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee. That I knew this. Like, yesterday I was passing the Haymarket in Northampton, and it just popped in my head when Haymarket was a team. They'd go, Haymarket, someone's calling your name, Haymarket. I think I heard it again. You're wanted in Haymarket Square. If they're fighting for 8 hours, I'll be there. It was just crazy. Like, you know, here we are at summer camp and playing soccer, and like you've just won a goal, and all of a sudden your team starts chanting that as the yay, we just scored a goal. Like, it's nuts. I don't know. This summer I am taking my vacation and working at camp for a week, and that will make 15 consecutive summers.
Wow.
Yes, I've loved camp so much. It's funny, my grandparents had a mini panic attack earlier this year about the fact that who will they be visiting this year? That my brother will be at camp this summer, but at the time he wasn't sure if he'd be at camp. And we finally figured out that my cousin, Jacob, will be coming back from Dubai to go to camp, because once camp gets you, you're stuck. You even have to fly in from the Middle East to be a part of what is happening at camp. And they've been at least visiting someone at camp for over 20 years with my oldest cousin, Veronica. And I mean, both of them went to camp. My dad and his sister went to camp. All 3 of my cousins went to camp. My brother and I went to camp. And now Yasha's going to camp, or Jacob. It's been a very big family thing. That my grandfather's older sister was there the first summer that camp existed. That it's been a very important part of our family's history and our lives.